Cleaning vinyl vertical blinds, and these are nasty. This was a window that didn't get near too often, but got opened a lot. And here in California, a lot of dust, a lot of dirt is in the air all the time in Southern California. Now to get these off, it's fairly easy. It's a clip. You can use your fingertip, or a playing card would just fit right under there, and then you just pull it right down. I went the more complicated route, kind of, and I just quickly learned how to pull out the clip nice and easy until I could slide off the blind. And here we go. A little to the front, lift up. Now I got it, and off it comes. You want to be careful so you don't break that little slot there. It's one of the main problems with these blinds is that slot. See how that just goes right up into that? All right, now that's the easy way to go. You go nice and slow. So once again, lift the outside of the clip lightly, slide off the blind. There we go. Okay, now you got the idea, and we're going to go into a high-speed look, get these all off. Look at all that dust and dirt. They are just terrible. Probably would have been easier simply to go ahead and take them off, throw them away, and replace them. During the shutdown here, probably the perfect time to get into a project like this. And now they're going to come off real fast, real easy. Each window you'll find will take you about an hour if they're real dirty. From now on, I'm going to be wiping them off every month or so to keep them all clean. Now is a good time to clean the sill. To get that out, some ammonia and water, let it soak a bit, and then loosen up the dirt and wipe it down. That little black line where the bottom of the blinds were, that's from the dirt and dust as well. That doesn't come off. Tried to get it off. Going to need to hit that with a little paint later. All right, now that that's done, on to the fun stuff. Just got some pine type cleaner, and it's supposed to get grease and stuff real easy. And this window was kind of close to the kitchen, so there is grease and dirt. So I got the water nice and hot. I'm going to let each batch soak a bit. Put them in only at 4 or 5 at a time so they had plenty of room to soak. And then I went at them with a heavy-duty scrub brush. I'm not that fast, that's high speed. I get each and every one of them, front and back. And then I'm using a microcloth that's wet or damp. And what I want to do is wipe them down. And what I found was as I wipe them down, more of the dirt comes off. So it's a real good technique for that. Yeah, and once again, ounce of prevention every once in a while cleaning up the space in that particular room. We'll wipe them down with a damp rag. Probably won't need to go through this process again. You can see all the dirt just coming off of those. Just incredibly dirty. One of the interesting things and nice things about it is, boy, this project was satisfying when it was done because of all that dirt coming off and stuff. I didn't think it would take this long, but it did take about an hour. Doing circular runs with a brush, anything I can do to loosen the dirt. And there we go. You can kind of see it coming off. You can see how dirty that cloth is getting. It gets mostly dry. And then I'll let them air dry. Now here they are side by side. The one on the left looks almost new. And there they are out in the hallway. What a difference. And then just a few more left. There's all my gear. Now, back to hanging them up. Just kind of do the reverse. You just go back real easily. This time when I did this, I got smart so we could see this better. I put a piece of cardboard up behind where the blinds go so all that light doesn't come in from the window. Live and learn. Once again, there's the little clip, or the little slot for the clip. Go easy. You don't want to break those clips, and you don't want to break that slot. There are ways to fix those, and maybe I'll show you that in another video. Go nice and slow and easy. Pace yourself. That way you won't be breaking either the slot or the clip. All right, now we're going to put these up at fast speed. This is really satisfying because they're so clean compared to what they were when they came down. You can see that the valance is still up above there. And I made an error and knocked off the valance and one of its clips vanished. So I had to improvise to get the project complete for you. There's got to be some place to buy parts. I'm not going to look just yet, but I'll put it in the description. In fact, it was the cardboard that actually knocked the valance off. All right, just a few more to go. While we're waiting here, one of the things I found out, I put half of them reversed to the way they should have gone. You don't get to see me fixing that. All right, just 4 more. And we're going to be ready to, well, there goes the valance. You didn't quite see that fall, but that's what just happened. Is the valance gave way. You can see the top of the cardboard where that had hit the top of it finally and knocked it off. I'll be cleaning that up, and you won't be seeing that, but I cleaned the inside of it and stuff. Any loose dirt or dust is gone from that as well. By the way, I'm going to take a minute here to mention to like and subscribe and look for our other videos. Here we go. Putting up the valance. Looks pretty good there. And it sure looks different now. So hit the like and subscribe buttons. Check out some of our other videos. Thanks for watching. Any hints or suggestions, leave them down below. Anything that I can find for you, like parts and things like that, I'll put them in the details down below as well. Thanks again.